Good morning. This is the last day here in Dubai. It is the view that you want to wake up on it every day. Check it out. G class, AMG, Audi i8, convertible Audi R8. Me, last day, it's about shopping, baby. Let's do it. Hey guys, let me quickly show you what's mean to be in Dubai in summer. Check this out. This is my phone. See? I'm gonna just look it down. Look it up. Check it. Holy shit, it's getting foggy because of the humid. See? Oh.
2,000 years later.
They gave me back my money. I'm gonna miss this hot city, the memories here, because I experienced things that I didn't in my life anywhere else. Thank you. It is 3rd of April, and guess what? Let me show you. My flight to the Dubai.